بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So let's see one by one. So we'll try to understand first IP precedence marking. Like I said, out of 8 bits, IP precedence marking value is going to use only 3 bits. Now, which means based on these 3 bits, you will get 8 values. These are the 8 different combinations we get with binary. And if you convert this into decimal, you get the values from 0 to 7. So these are the technical names you generally see those values as you see. Again, the same thing, the 7 is considered as high priority traffic, 0 is considered as a low priority traffic here. So in this case, like I said, 0 is considered as a low priority traffic and 7 is considered as high priority traffic. And if you quickly say, like, again, here also we don't use 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are used for control plane traffic, like routing protocols, OSP of messages, or EHRP messages, or BGP messages. You need to build the control plane to forward the traffic. Probably those are reserved for that, which means I can use the values from 1 to 5, which is something we use. Again, 0 represents the best effort. It's like no quality of service. And when I give 1, it means like we are giving a medium priority, 2 means a little bit high priority, and 3, 4, 5 we generally use for VoIP or the video conferencing applications. So this value will decide the priority for the traffic, and the packets with a higher IP precedence will always provide a better level of service. So which means if your VoIP traffic is coming with a marking value of 5, and if I'm receiving FTP traffic with a marking value of 1, then the router is going to decide if there is any congestion, because generally if there is any congestion, then only these things comes into picture. Because if there is no congestion, then they just both will go. But when there is a congestion, then it has to give priority for this traffic. So automatically it will say this traffic will be sent first before it actually sends. And if there is any possibility to drop, or if there is any requirement to drop, so it's going to drop this FTP traffic compared to the VoIP traffic. So depending upon these marking values, the device, the networking device will decide the priority for that particular traffic. Again, as I said, these last numbers we use for control. For critical information like STP or routing protocols, we use those 6 and 7.